Hi, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing an orange dreamsicle salad, and it's got just 5 ingredients, and it's orange Jello, vanilla pudding, Cool Whip, mandarin oranges, and marshmallows, mini marshmallows. And so it's another one of my fast and easy budget-friendly recipes, and it's going to be cool and refreshing in this hot weather we have in Georgia. And this is what we're having for our dessert tonight. So let me get started on this. Okay, I'm going to be adding my Jello, and I'm going to be adding my 1 cup of boiling water. Mix this all together. That smells really good. Okay, now I'm going to be adding a 1/2 cup of cold water. And so I'm going to let this chill for 15 minutes before I come back and add the rest of my ingredients. Okay, my Jello has been chilling for 15 minutes, and so now I'm going to be adding my vanilla pudding. Okay, when I get this all stirred up, it's got to set for 15 more minutes before I add the rest of my ingredients. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to be letting this stay in the refrigerator for 15 more minutes. My orange dreamsicle salad has been chilling in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. So now I'm going to put the rest of the ingredients in. I'm going to put in my whipped topping. This orange dreamsicle salad is orange. You can almost serve this salad up at Halloween. And for Thanksgiving. Okay, we want to fold this in. The rest of it in. And this is a little easy dessert. You could take this to any potluck. now then I'm gonna put in my mandarin oranges.
How that's looking, Maury.
Yeah.
I think we should have a little sample of it right now.
Also, when you put in your mandarin oranges, make sure that they're well drained. I did drain mine, but I should have went back and drained it just a little bit more because just a little bit of liquid came out, but I think it's going to be okay. Okay, now then I'm going to put in my cup of marshmallows. It's got a real good color to it. It does look like the Dreamsicle ice cream, the color in them. Let's do this in. So I think this is all mixed together now. Okay. So I'm gonna get put these in my dessert dishes. And me and Kevin is going to have a nice dessert here in just a few minutes. I hear the highway traffic. Okay. Yeah. Here's my orange Dreamsicle dessert, and I can't wait to do the taste test. Okay, my dessert is finished, and so now I'm going to do the taste test. That's very yummy. I'm going to have to get another bite. Those marshmallows and the mandarin oranges and the pudding in it just sets this dessert off just right. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great afternoon. Bye.